That matter, as you all know, is under investigation. I don't know why we are now the committee is now trying to look at it when so much water appears to have gone under the bridge. But that does not mean that this committee does not have the power to do so and investigate anything. But I would have preferred, Mr. Chairman and my distinguished colleagues, if we were making an inquiry to the totality of the operations. If there's a fund for capacity building, if there's a fund to support local industrialization, you look at the totality of the management of that fund, not one transaction. Now, if the subject matter of this meeting is about that one transaction, in view of the fact that the person alleged to be involved, even though it's of another political tendency, with me, against me, we've been like this for all these years. We don't even talk. But by my standards, as a leader from the state, I will recuse myself. I will recuse myself. One, so that other agencies who are handling those things can do it, and whatever this committee may want to do in aid or in support or in addition, committee can do so. But my preferred approach would have been an inquiry as to the totality of what is going on. Everything. But what is going on? But like I said, I've not seen the copy of the invitation. We have powers to do whatever we want to, but if we are looking at, but like I said, if it is only on this transaction, then I will, with all due respect, recuse myself, not only on this one, but at any other subsequent meeting, if the subject matter is this particular one transaction. That's all I wanted to say. Thank you very much.
Let me just distinguish Senator Dickson for his comments, especially the point at which he said, because the matter concerns somebody who is from the state to recuse himself, the committee will be happy to accept that your decision. But I want to state here categorically that it is not out of place for this committee to hear something that is happening in a board that is being oversighted and cannot ask for that specific information. There are other issues that we are doing, but this one is in the front burner, and I cannot, as a chairman, sit here and not being able to say exactly what is the facts behind that matter. So if you are recusing yourself, this committee, on behalf of my colleagues, will gladly give you that privilege so that you don't compromise your standard. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Chairman and distinguished colleagues. The comment I want to make is to say that